Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TransUnion credit lock with your mobile device step by step clearly. Open your mobile device and locate the TransUnion app. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, tap to open the TransUnion app. In the app, select the option for Login or Create Account if you are a new user. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the Credit Lock section within the app. If this is your first time setting up a credit lock, follow the prompts to activate this feature. You may be required to verify your identity through security questions or a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once your identity is verified, you will see options to set up a credit lock. Choose to lock your credit and confirm any additional settings as prompted. After locking your credit, you will receive a confirmation message within the app. To ensure everything is set up correctly, check the status of your credit lock. If you wish to unlock your credit in the future, return to the same section in the app. Select the option to unlock your credit, and once again confirm your identity if prompted. Review any notifications or updates regarding your credit lock status. Record any relevant information for your reference, especially if you plan to update your credit status in the future. Your TransUnion credit lock is now connected to your mobile device, providing you with added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.